Picture a lonely highway at sunrise. The sky glows like a campfire stretched across the clouds, and the land lies quiet, waiting. Then, out of the morning mist, a giant shape appears. At first you think it's a futuristic military vehicle. A tank, a mobile command fortress. Its silhouette is sharp, tall, confident. The road trembles beneath it, as if the earth itself is saluting. A sliding panel reveals smooth windows. Armor meets elegance. A steel beast meets a luxury palace. This is no ordinary machine. This is the SkyPalace RV Motor Home. The future of mobile power, wrapped in comfort fit for a king. Welcome to American Future Hub, where tomorrow rolls across your screen one invention at a time. The SkyPalace RV is what happens when elite travel meets battlefield engineering. It doesn't simply travel, it arrives with authority. Built with military-grade design language, its shell looks like it could survive a meteor shower, yet its curves show grace like a yacht cruising on land. This is a masterpiece forged for those who expect strength and beauty in the same breath. Let's start with protection. The SkyPalace does not trust luck. Its body is made from composite armor plating layered like a knight's shield. Reinforced aluminium backbone, ceramic armor tiles, and carbon steel ribs woven together in a matrix strong enough to defend against small arms fire and debris impacts. The windows are ballistic smart glass that tint automatically, turning transparent or opaque like a magician flipping a coin. A threat outside, the vehicle seals itself, sensors awaken, and the SkyPalace becomes a silent fortress ready for anything. Not built for war, but built to survive the wild world without losing dignity. And yes, you heard that right. Underneath its beautiful exterior beats the heart of a lion. A hybrid twin-turbo diesel engine paired with advanced solid-state electric batteries gives the SkyPalace over 1,000 horsepower. That is not simply power. That is moving a luxury building at highway speed while feeling smoother than a cruise ship drifting on calm water. Solar wings fold out from the roof, stretching like a metal eagle basking in sunlight, charging systems and allowing long-range silent travel. The engine does not roar unless you want it to. Noise cancellation tech wraps the machinery, turning sound into whispers. Switch to stealth mode and the motors soften, heat signatures drop, and exhaust gets filtered so clean it feels invisible. The SkyPalace moves like a ghost with steel bones. But strength without defense is only half a story. This motor home carries smart defensive technology. Not weapons of destruction, but systems of protection. Anti-drone frequency shields. Perimeter surveillance drones that launch like robotic birds. Smoke deployment ports for escape cover. Optional non-lethal remote turret mounts for riot control or wildlife deterrence. Imagine driving through a conflict zone or wild terrain with wildlife prowling. You are not a guest on Earth anymore. You are your own moving kingdom, guarded and untouchable. Now open the door and enter a world no battlefield would believe exists. The interior feels like stepping into a private jet infused with luxury hotel vibes. The lighting glows gently along the ceiling like stars following you indoors. Sofas made from plush, breathable leather that hug you like soft clouds. Flooring inspired by yacht decks, polished and warm. A cinematic lounge with reclining seats and an ultra-wide display screen that curves like a horizon. Hidden speakers surround you with audio that feels like wind carrying music through mountains. The bedroom isn't a room. It's a sanctuary. Memory foam bed, temperature-adjusting linens, noise reduction panels that hush the world to silence. Wake up in a desert, rainforest, frozen valley, or mountain peak, and yet feel like you slept in heaven. The kitchen is sleek, futuristic, and fully automated. Cabinets glide open with soft motion. Appliances hide inside walls until summoned. The bathroom feels like a spa capsule, with mist shower settings, heated floors, and self-cleaning marble-style surfaces. The command deck is the crown jewel. Forget steering wheels. You sit in a pilot chair, surrounded by panoramic augmented reality screens. Digital terrain radar, thermal vision, autopilot settings, AI assistant that learns your patterns, tracks weather, and plots safe routes. Driving becomes navigation. Navigation becomes command. It feels less like moving a vehicle and more like piloting land royalty. On the battlefield, the SkyPalace is a mobile HQ. A safe retreat for commanders, medics, communication officers, or government leaders. It rolls through danger zones, carrying brains, strategy and life support. In peacetime, it becomes a humanitarian command pod, bringing shelter, energy, medical space and communication tools to disaster zones. One moment a luxury world cruiser, next moment a life-saving operations hub. It is not a toy for the rich. It is a guardian, an explorer, a fortress and a home stitched into one. Future upgrades. Engineers whisper ideas like secrets in wind tunnels. Full autonomous navigation across continents. Self-healing nano coatings that repair scratches and impacts. Integrated hydroponic gardens in the walls to grow herbs and oxygen. Robotic landing legs for extreme mountain terrain. AI predictive defense systems that recognize danger before it appears. The SkyPalace might one day house drone taxis, security bots, and even extendable shelter pods for troops or families in crisis. And now the price. A dream carved in steel never comes cheaply. Estimated cost: between $4 and $8 million depending on configuration. A cost that sounds like a mountain to many, but mountains are climbed by those who led. This vehicle is built for visionaries, explorers, governments and private world travelers who do not run from the planet's future, but ride into it with confidence. Picture yourself at a lake at dawn. Mist curls around your wheels like sleeping dragons. You step out of marble-lit luxury into nature's quiet breath. Behind you stands not a van, not a bus, but a steel palace on wheels, humming softly, ready to move when you command. That is SkyPalace. Not just travel, not just defense, a new way to exist on Earth. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of elite motor homes, press like, comment your thoughts, and tell us what dream machine we should explore next. This is American Future Hub. Subscribe, and step into tomorrow before the rest of the world arrives.